Hi there, and the last moment we will cover now with the uploading the post is so once we upload the post we want to refresh the home page with the latest post. Okay, so to do that there is a very unique technique which we were using. This is to send or to post a notification. Whenever we upload the post we need to post a notification, and this notification will be called in the home VC, and then it will rerun the function which is load post. Okay, we're going to post vc.swift, and we will go to the function where share button has been clicked, and here we go. So when the post has been uploaded successfully, here we dismiss the view controller, and here we'll have to post notification in order to update the posts of the user. In other view controllers, here come back means dismiss view controller. Okay, so as you remember guys, we have done this job, so we simply need to write notification center dot default dot post notification with object, for example. Notification, we write here ns notification dot name, then we open the round bracket and select the function with the raw value. So raw value means we write a raw value, any value that we want. Under the name there are other ready notifications like keyboard has been shown, keyboard will be shown, etc. So raw value allows us to create our own custom notification. Okay, so here raw value, in order to keep a proper readability of the code, what I will do, I'm gonna name this the same like the name of the PHP file. So here we have upload post. So this is the one which we will write here. This is the name which we will keep, upload post. Okay, and the object will be nil. So this is how we post a notification, and now we need to catch this notification, and at the event when this notification will be called we will run the function which is load posts. Okay, so now we are going to the home VC. So let me take you through one more time. So when we run the protocol upload post.php, so then this is HTTP request when the error, this is when the JSON, here we receive the JSON, here we savecast JSON, and here we write if status equals 200, 200 means successfully. Then we will dismiss the view controller, means we'll come back to the previous view controller, and we will post a notification. Where this notification will be posted, this notification will be posted to the entire application. So since the notification, which is having the name upload post, is sent to the entire application, we need to catch it in the home view controller. Okay, we will go to view did load. We need to add the observer. So this observer, since the home VC is showing, this will be running always. Okay, so here we will write a new observer, which is notification center.default.add observer to current view controller. This is the function which we want to run. We write hash selector, then in the round brackets load posts. Okay, so I will skip offset and limit. Here the name of the notification we want to catch. We'll write ns notification dot name, open the round bracket, we'll write raw value. Raw value must be the exact same name like we have declared in the post VC upload post. Okay, and here object nil, there is no any object. for notifications. So here we're adding observers for notifications. Okay, so one more step which we need to do is the way we're going to declare the offset and the way we're going to declare limit. Okay, so offset means something which we are willing to skip. Here, by the way, yeah, don't forget to add to the function load posts. Where is that? Don't forget to add at obj objective C. Yeah, so offset means, let's say, I will explain you the logic. Let me take you to the sketch. Okay, so for example, let's say this is a table view controller. Okay, and let's say by default it will show, let's say, two images, two posts. I'll just try to explain you. Okay, let's say by default, for example, offset 0 means skip 0 and limit is 2. So then what happens? So we're skipping initially, this is first launch of the view controller, we can say. Okay, let's say we're skipping 0 posts and we are keeping the limit 2 posts. Then let's say we have clicked the load more button. Then what happens here? Loaded more. Then what happens here? Here skip will be 2, means the first 2 it will skip. And again the limit it will keep 2. And as you see here, and additionally it loaded 2 posts. So it skipped the first 2 posts and it's loaded the next 2 posts. Let's say we have published a new post. So then what we need to do is your new post published. Okay, so we need to skip 0 because even we want to load the first one, we want to skip, and the limit will be the number of skipped, limit plus skipped. So here will be 2 plus 2 and plus 1, let's say the new post. So this is the logic where we need to keep to load this everything. You can pause the video and look at this scheme to understand the logic. Okay, so here limit, let's say 0, offset 0, limit, let's say 10, just to make an experiment. This is we need to add to the load posts function. Here we go. Okay, so we want to skip 0 posts and we want to reload the entire feed. And limit, we want to make it quite bigger. Let's see what's going on here. I'll just copy and paste it here. Then here, load posts. Okay, so we want to skip 0 and limit we want to keep skip value, which can be, let's say, 100 or 200, and plus 1. The 1 means the latest uploaded post. Okay, what I will do here, I'll write here a new function, load posts, and here we will run the function load posts, load post notification, something like, or load new posts. Okay, offset the number of posts we want to skip 0, and here the number of limit will be whatever we have skipped and +1 the latest post. And I will make a reference to that function, load new posts. Very good. This function executed when new post is published. And let me here remove this Objective-C. Okay. Yeah, here must be open and close round brackets. Here what we are doing, we are skipping 0 posts as we want to load the entire feed. And we are extending limit value based on the previous loaded posts. If, let's say, previously 15 posts were shown, so with the new feed it will show 16, the 15 and +1 the latest one. Okay, so this is the logic which I have shown in the sketch, and that is the last moment of our showing the posts function. Okay, this is, I believe, because I got some bag here. I'll remove the sprints. Okay, excellent. Let me post something, my new post, and I will add some picture. Sure, and here we go. Amazing. That is the one, my new post. Excellent, guys. So this is what exactly we wanted. Okay, and I will post one more. Hello there. My second new post. Here we go. This is the behavior which we really wanted to achieve. So that is really amazing, guys. So we have done with the publishing and showing the posts and working with the logic. That is really outstanding. Congratulations.